Bosslight, you're still up. You need some sleep, my son.
Of course, Dad. But just give me a couple of minutes and I'll be done, okay? Thanks, Dad.
Is it the video animation course you talked about that you're preparing for your upcoming class?
Yes, Dad. It's a video animation course. I'm just giving it a finishing touch. I'm through with the editing now. And I'll be done in a couple of minutes, Dad. Thanks.
Alright, Bosslight, take your time cause tomorrow is going to be a very busy day, and you know that. Right.
Yes, I'm done, Dad. I'm done. Yeah, I know tomorrow is going to be a very busy day. I'm done right now, Dad. Okay? I'll meet you up, okay?
Alright, son. You have a good night.
And you too, Dad. You too. Love you, Dad.
Love you too, my son. Good night.
Oh, tomorrow is going to be another day. I need to take some nap now.